Go.
Why isn't this working?
Nan! Nan, where's the cornflakes?
We come attack, it'll be Miller time.
Nan! Nan, the phone's ringing! Oh.
Make Willie Loman look like Ron Popeil, and he's got quite a saliva.
Nan, who was it? Was it Kelly? What's Kelly doing? Where's Sue? Is Sue coming? Is Tessa coming over? Is she sleeping over?
Come on.
Noah, come here. Be a kind boy and take my boots off for me. Oh, come on. Okay. Ooh.
Why are you so stiff?
Oh, I can't reach. I have vertigo. I'm sorry.
A secure retirement. A new home.
No, I'm awake.
Earning your diploma.
Nan, where are ya? You know how I feel about a dirty basement. What's this cup doing down there?
What are you talking about, dirty basement?
Look at this! Look at it!
Oh, I just must have left it there. I was going to do something with it.
Well, too bad. Now take your stupid cup and... Not so stink.
Really?
Put it on.
I'll try and put it on.
Just nipping at you.
Oh, who are you guys, Papa?
Oh, I forgot.
Hello? Hi.
Nan, what you doing?
I'm washing the dishes, Skip.
What are you doing?
Washing the dishes.
Look it. So, this guy was doing push-ups. This 25-year-old, and he did 25 push-ups.
Great.
And I said, he did 10 push-ups actually. And I said, that's not bad. And I went over and I did 30. And I got these now.
Oh, great, Skip. Come on, let's go eat. Noah, go get Papa Snapple.
Alright. What kind?
Ah! Why does this thing ever work like seriously? Oh!
Hey, raspberry tea.
Oh, I don't like that kind. Sorry. Go give me another one. You know what, man? I'm so blessed to have my grandchildren in my life. My Isaac. He got 7th out of 5,000 million. You know, and Noah. My amazing soccer player. You know. And my Grace. My volleyball player. You know, and Eli, what will he do? He did get a high score in Flappy Bird of 110. And we can't forget about Elena. She's the one that throws and catches. And one more. Oh no, 3. I'm so blessed to have my little children like Lincoln and Vinny. You know what? Tessa too. That little gymnast. Oh, we can't forget about Emma and Sophia. Oh. You know, they're gonna go somewhere.
Hey, Skip.
Yes.
Isaac needs a ride to school in Brantford,
Okay.
and then Elena needs a ride to soccer.
Okay, absolutely.
I mean, Noah needs a ride to soccer.
Okay.
Elena needs a ride to her softball
I got it,
game.
man.
Okay.
I go.